Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to my channel. So this is my daily to-do list for upcoming banking exam 2022. So this is tomorrow's to-do list. So first of all, in the morning time, I will read the Hindu editorial and will note down vocab. And also after that, I will watch the current affairs video from Adda by Ashish Gautam sir, and then I will solve some speed math tests like simplification, quadratic equations and approximations. Then I will also revise square, cubes and table, and then I will give one pre-level mock from practice mock. And then in the afternoon time I will solve one RC from Sujit Kumar PDF, and also will solve 5 pre-level puzzle and 5 pre-level DI. And in the night time I will solve one mains level puzzle, one mains level DI, and after the dinner I will revise the current affairs for previous month for December month, and also after that I will do vocab revision, and then good night. Thank you guys.